In the world we live in, our decisions can only make us more safe or less safe. Hackers hack even the most complex systems out there. Keep this reality in mind in your approach to security, not to give you fear, but to make you more vigilant. So, to keep your Android more safe, you will need an antivirus. I will show you a free one that works quite well called Lookout. This is the main screen of Lookout, showing some of the features of protection. Let's click the menu button on the top left. When you're there, you're going to go ahead and click Settings. When you get into Settings, you're going to see three different sections: Security, Theft Protection, and Notifications. Check each one of those that you see there to make sure all of them are on. Each one that you're turning on is an extra layer of protection that you're giving yourself, and all of that is for free. Next, we're going to get out of this and we're going to go back to the menu. And there we're going to go ahead and click Theft Alert. This is where you can have even more features added on, which is very crucial. If you were to lose your phone or someone were to steal your phone, you can have this theft protection in order to locate your device. And it will tell you where exactly you are or where exactly your phone is. And you can even log on lookout.com to see where it is as well. In the Scream tab, you can go ahead and preview the scream, or if it was a real thing, you can go on lookout.com in order to sound an alarm on your phone should you ever lose it or someone stole it. This will work as long as the phone is on. The last feature that I am showing you is the backup feature. Now you have the option to back up your contacts, your calendar, your Gmail, and perhaps even other things that you would like to back up, like photos and other files. Now for me, I just personally chose not to back up my contacts because I have found that it is blending the contacts that I have in my Gmail with my contacts on my phone, and I just like to keep those two things separate. Now, there are other features that I did not cover, and these are other features that you would have to pay for if you want further protection for other things. And so you have the option for that. It's just a small monthly or yearly fee that you will have to pay. But I believe that this is sufficient for you to be more safe with your Android as you are browsing and downloading apps and doing different things on your phone. So that is all concerning securing your Android with an antivirus. Stay tuned for part 2. Stay safe.